Hey there, I am Upahar Biswas and welcome to my studio. As a portrait photographer, I have this exciting new tutorial for all you guys. When you don't have a set or a space to shoot at and you've just landed the biggest shoot of your life, then this trick is definitely going to help you succeed. So all you need is your camera and a small portable flashlight just like this AriesX Xtreme. And the output is definitely going to be something that is hard to ignore. Offset flash photography has always been widely popular in advertising as it always puts your subject front and center. Yuganshi is our fabulous model for the day. I can't wait to take some shots and show you guys how it looks like. Now let's add a bit of drama by adding a simple muslin backdrop. These look great, but I would personally love for it to be a little more colorful. And the fun part is the AriesX Xtreme comes with its own set of colored filter. How about we try them out? And it's magnetic. That's how you can shoot stunning images with a portable flash. And with AriesX Xtreme, the possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and have learned something new. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you soon.